Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Equinox, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So first, from the driver's side, we'll go down, and you should see this lever here that will pull. That pop was the safety releasing. If there's no tension here, double check that this cable is attached right here. If there's no cable, that's something you might need to adjust. So head up to the front, you should see that the hood's slightly loose now. And here there's a lever, so we're going to push the lever and lift. So push and lift. Fortunately, it's got these nice hydraulics that are hopefully holding the hood up for you. But this is what the lever looked like. Double check nothing's bent or broken, no debris stuck in here. If it's sticking to you, maybe some WD-40 will loosen it up. Here's what it was hooked onto. And then also double check that your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could cause issues. But I hope this is helpful. You have a wonderful day.